does not hold anything, the umbrella for that matter, in place because the strap just pulls right out, not tight at all. Other than that, the bag is perfect. Great enough. Using it as a side bag for my 5-year-old daughter when we go on day trips. Perfect for one pair of outfit. And her snacks, her water. And now I just have to hold the umbrella in my hand. I can use the under part to put her toilet seat covers for public restrooms, which the pocket still is functional. It just can't hold an umbrella with that piece.